A dirt bike rider has fallen on a steep, rocky hill during an extreme enduro race. The bike lies on its side while the rider clings to a wall made of stacked tires for support. Spectators and media personnel observe from above the barrier, capturing the intense moment. The challenging terrain and sharp incline highlight the difficulty and danger of this off-road motorsport.
Pour aller jusqu'en haut, à partir justement de ces 170 mètres, ça se complique, c'est limite négatif. Là c'est négatif, jusqu'en haut, avec au départ. Président du Motorsport.
Allez, Pierre Borges, on va l'applaudir ce soir. Lui aussi, un partenaire du Motorsport d'arrêt pour cet événement efficace. Ouais, c'est efficace, on reçoit quelques cailloux, on va tout aller. Ah dommage, j'ai pas de vitesse, Blaise de là-haut, un petit peu compliqué sur ce coup de saut. Ouais, c'est ça.
Ça va en haut. 177 04. 177 04 pour Christophe Navarro. S'il va pas tarder.
Elle est capable d'en voir aussi maintenant avec les...
Allez, maintenant.
A motocross rider in blue gear is attempting to climb a steep, rugged hill on a dirt bike numbered 353. The terrain looks challenging with loose soil and deep ruts.
Ah là là, ouais, c'est pas final, il a roulé quand même assez fort, c'est bon, allez, il se relève. Il se relève.
An off-road motorcycle competition is taking place on an extremely steep and rugged mountainside. Dozens of riders are trying to climb the challenging slope, while hundreds of spectators stand on both sides, watching and cheering. The terrain consists of slippery dirt and rocky patches, making movement extremely difficult. Several banners are displayed along the hillside, indicating that this is a large, well-organized event. The scene vividly showcases the harshness and high level of danger involved in the sport of uphill off-road motorcycling. A dramatic moment at a hill climb motorcycle competition. A rider had just reached the summit but lost control, causing the motorcycle to flip into the air. Rider number 135 tries to keep his balance as the bike slips from his hands.
Finale hier in Kassel.
Well, what are you doing for work?
He did. Yeah, he did. I was ready to make it happen.
A motocross rider soars high into the air during a jump at a dirt track event.
just saw him. Typical dangerous. Second to none, second to none. You mentioned the privateer effort. I don't know if that can happen in this day and age. Because you weren't on a team, like you weren't in the semi with 30 other guys. It was kind of you, wasn't it? Yeah, it was just pilot because you're not. Keep all private drones.
A motocross rider is captured midair in an impressive jump over a dirt track. Wearing a bright red racing suit and helmet, the rider is fully airborne with the bike angled forward, showcasing precision and control.
I have 2 more good years left in the tank. Yeah, and that's going to be interesting way it goes. The Grand Marshal's hat here. Lived in this area, grew up in this area, won championships. Exactly. Really good luck.
Motorcycle competition. Riders are pushing their bikes up an extremely steep and slippery slope covered in rough dirt and rocks. The incline is nearly vertical, making the climb a serious challenge. Some riders have made it close to the top, while others are still struggling further down the hill. A rider struggles to climb a nearly vertical mud-covered hill in a challenging off-road motorcycle competition. The path is slick and treacherous, with thick mud flying up from the spinning rear wheel. Surrounded by forest and marked by safety ribbons, the scene captures the raw intensity and difficulty of extreme hill climbing in harsh, wet conditions.